In this tutorial, I'll review the ViewBliss TV streaming device. Is it legit or a scam? Let's find out. ViewBliss claims to offer thousands of free movies and shows without subscriptions. It's marketed as an affordable way to stream content with no monthly fees. However, many users report misleading ads. The device often lacks the latest content, has poor streaming quality, and limited app support. Some say it only plays low-quality or outdated material. There are also concerns about how the content is sourced and potential legal risks. Customer support is minimal, and returns can be difficult. While the idea sounds appealing, the execution falls short for most buyers. If you're considering ViewBliss, research carefully before buying. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel for more informative reviews. Thanks for watching.